Welcome back, guys. So you're getting me. So what I have to do today is I actually have to remove my hairpiece, specifically how I maintain it, like how I clean it, how I clean the base itself, and how I shampoo and condition it. It's a mess, my hair's a mess, but as you can see, when I pick this up, it's already lifting from here. So we need to remove it. I don't have any C22, but the product that I use is lace release. And what I do is I'm just gonna pick up part of the hair and I'm just gonna start spraying it on the inside, massage it around a little bit, let it seep in, and then I'm going to slowly remove it. Usually what I do sometimes as well is, like, if the lace release, I'll typically use it for like when it's actually off my head, but most of the time, like, what I can do is I can just take like a continuous bottle of water and then just kind of use the water to slowly release the tape and the glue, but it does come off. So as you can see, that's what mine looks like. Ignore that. The only reason why it looks like that is because I did color it. So I'm in need of a new one. Obviously this is a normal maintenance on what it looks like, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean up my hair really quickly, spray the hairpiece down, like I said, with lace release, let it sit for a little bit, because as you can see, like, you can see the tape that's pulling up. But what I'm doing is I'm filling up the sink with some water, and what I use for shampoo and conditioner is Olaplex Shampoo and Olaplex Conditioner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the shampoo. Just turn this off. Just open it and take it. If I can get any out, put it on as much as I can. And just rub it in. What I found as well is when I'm doing it like this and I turn it over, sometimes the glue that was underneath will come off. It'll loosen up a little bit, so it's easier to take off. Like I said, I don't have C22, so it's a little bit difficult to do this. And this is an entire lace base, so it's not poly skin or anything like that. So it's, for me, living in Florida, it's breathable for myself. My scalp can actually breathe. It's just, be a little bit more careful with these. Obviously be careful with skin as well, but you know, cleaning these could be, if you have C22, it makes it a lot easier, just not gonna lie. I'm just gonna go ahead and shampoo this, rinse it off, and then I'm gonna condition it. And then when I condition it, I actually leave the conditioner on. The bottle says, I think, like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna jump in the shower, clean myself while this is sitting, and then I will continue with the video. And that's pretty much it. I showered and did all that. What I do, I put it's like a wig strap to help do the hairline, and then just for added support and stuff like that to keep the tension, I put my hat on. It says that once the hair system is on and glued and everything like that, it takes 15 minutes to completely, like, be on your head and good to go. Don't take any showers, don't go get your hair wet, don't go to the gym, don't sweat or anything like that, because it will deactivate the glue. But that's basically it. And then I go ahead and style it. I have no means of styling it today just because I'm not really doing much today. But that's basically it. That's just normal maintenance for me. You know, stay tuned for some more. I'm planning on getting another hair system, and we'll go ahead and style that and put that on and make a video about that. So other than that, hope to see you guys in the next one. All right, bye guys.